It was a simple plan, really. Just drive, find some waves. There was myself and the seediest mustache in existence. My mate Reese, along with his Jesus robes. And, well, this guy. Nah, just kidding. Brayden's a legend. But get off the screen, mate. Anywho, we weren't looking for some waves. And, well, we found some. So, we had some fun. And then we looked again. And we found some more. So we thought, let's go for another dip. It's always good to get the gills wet. And just for good measure, we triple checked. Surfing sends you on some of the wildest goose chases. Sometimes that's in solitude. And other times it's with mates. We seek a connection to the ocean, the movement of water. Water's mysterious. Sometimes it's hard to find. It brings refreshment to one's body and soul. It builds anticipation, sometimes with that excitement and thrill. But it brings quietness and adventures to appreciate its beauty, its peace, but also its power. Surfing is the process of learning not to fight the power of nature, even when it is violent.